This is Sinc California, one of the deep pits within the Dinorwig Quarry in Llanberis. It was formed as quarrymen followed a vein of valuable roofing slate further down and down. The slate industry dominated the economy of northwest Wales during the second half of the 19th century, employing 17,000 men. Slates were exported across the world. You could say that North Wales roofed the Industrial Revolution. The path that I'm standing on rises through a cleft that was opened in the later years of the quarry and which was used for lorries. Previously, there had been a tunnel for narrow gauge trains. You can still see the tunnel's southern portal from the path. On the cliff top, you can see a tall stone tower. This was once used for an aerial ropeway. Higher up the mountain is another huge pit, Sinc Matilda. This was named after the wife of the quarry owner, Thomas Ashton Smith. Work began on it on their wedding day, the 17th of October, 1827. Most of the information in this video comes from the brilliant History Points website, which uses QR codes and mobile internet technology to offer interesting historical information to the public as they visit featured sites and buildings across Wales. By 2018, there were 1,400 QR codes across Wales linked to the site.